Good morning, students. So students, yesterday we discussed about mean, that is how to find mean. So today we are going to discuss about median. So today we will discuss about how to find median. So here students, there are two methods to find median. Method 1, when n is odd, then median equals to half of n plus 1th observation. This is one method, that when n is odd, so median equals to half of n plus 1th observation. Method 2, when n is even, then median equals to half of n by 12th observation plus n by 2 plus 1th observation. So these are the two methods to find median. When n is odd, what is n? N here, n means number of observations. So when number of observations is odd, then we use this formula. When number of observations is even, we must use this formula. Now I am going to show you an example. Find the median of 3, 11, 7, 2, 5, 9, 2 and 10. So you have to find the median of these observations. So at first you must arrange these numbers in ascending order. Students, always remember that you must arrange these numbers in ascending order. So you must write arranging the numbers in ascending order, we get 2, then 3, here 2 2s, 2 2 3, then 7, then 9 9, sorry, here 2, then 2, then 3, then here 5, then 7, then 9 9, then 10 11. So after arranging in ascending orders, you must count the numbers. So here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So there are 9 numbers. So that means here n is odd. That means total number of observations is odd. Therefore median equals to, you have to use this formula, because when n is odd you have to use this formula. So median equals to half of n plus 1th observation. So here n means total number of observations. So here total number of observations is 9. So 9 plus 10, 9 plus 1th observation. So is equals to 10 by 2. Observation. So is equals to 5th observations. So is equals to, so here 5th observation is, now in these observations you must find the 5th observations. So here 5th observations is 1 2 3 4 5. So this is the 5th observation. So 5th observation is 7. So 7 is the right answer. So now student, ask me if you have any doubt. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. If you have no doubt, I will continue. Okay, no doubt. So let's see another example regarding when n is even. So example, the next example is find the median of ten, 32, 17, 19, 21, 22, 9 and 35. So here total number of observations is 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So here n is even. So how to solve? So at first you must arrange the numbers in ascending order. So similarly you must write arranging the numbers in ascending order, we get, so arrange the numbers in ascending order. So at first take 9, then 10, then 17, 19, 21, 22, 32 and 35. So after arranging the observation in ascending order, here you must count the numbers. So here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So there are 8 observations. So here n is even because total number of observations is 8. So here n is even. So therefore you must use the second formula. That means when n is even, median equals to half of n by 2th observation plus n by 2 plus 1th observations. So half of n by 2. Here n is equals to 8. Here n is equals to 8. So n by 2, that means 8 by 2th observation plus n by 2, that means 8 by 2 plus 1th observation so here half of 8 by 2, that means 4th observation plus 8 by 2, that means 4, and 4 plus 1 fifth observation. So half of here 4th observation. So count that 1 2 3 4. So this is 4th observations. So you must write 19, and 5th observation is 21. So you must write 21. So half of 19 plus 21 is 40. So this is so here 4th observation is 19 and 5th observation is 21. So 19 plus 21 is 40. So 40 by 2 is equals to 20. So 20 is the right answer. Now student, ask me if you have any doubt. So ask me student if you have any doubt. One student answer that 19. No, 19 is not the right answer. Okay, one student can't understood the first solution. Okay, so I will repeat once again, that find the median of these observations. So here at first you must arrange the numbers in ascending order. So after arranging in ascending order, we get the numbers like this. Now count the numbers. So here the total numbers are 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So there are 9 numbers. So 9 is odd. So here n equals to 9. Here 9 is odd. So if your 9 is odd, then you must use this formula, half of n plus 1th observation. Okay. So that is why I am using the formula that when n is 9, that means 9 is odd. So half of n plus 1. So n means 9. So half of 9 plus 1th observation. So that means 9 plus 1, 10. 10 by 2th observation. 10 by 2 matlab 10 by 2 means 5. So 5th observation. So here 5th observation is, you must count 1 2 3 4 5. So this is the 5th observation. So that is why 5th observation is 7. So your median is 7. So students, always remember one thing, that the process is same, that at first you must arrange the numbers, then find it is even or odd. So if it is odd, then you must use this formula, that is half of n plus 1, and if it is even, then you must use this formula, that is half of n by 2 plus n by 2 plus 1th observation. Okay, I hope you understood. Now ask me if you have any doubt. Okay, understood. So I will show you another example. The ages of 10 teachers in a school are 34, 37, 53, 46, 52, 43, 31, 36, 40 and 50. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So here the ages of 10 teachers. Find the median age. The question is find the median age. So the process is same, that at first you must arrange the values, arrange the observations. So arranging in ascending order, we get, so arranging in ascending order we get the smaller one is 31, next one is 34, then third one is 36, next is 37, then 40, 43, 46, 50, 52 and 53. So after arranging in ascending orders, what will you do? So we must count that how many numbers are there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there are 10 observations. So that means here n is even. So here n equals to 10, which is even. So we must use this formula. When n is even, median equals to half of n by 2th observation by n by 2 plus 1th observation. So here n is 10, so that means median age equals to half of n by 2, that means 10 by 2 observations plus n by 2 plus 1, that means 10 by 2 plus 1 observation. So half of 10 by 2, that means 5th. So 5th observation plus 10 by 2 means 5 plus 1 6. So 6th observation. So half of, now you have to see that what are the fifth and sixth observation. So here you can see that 1 2 3 4 5, this is the fifth observation and this is the sixth observation. So 40 and 43. So here 40 plus 43, so equals to half of 40 plus 43 is 83, so is equals to median age is 41.5. So I hope you understood, students. So 41.5 years. Now student, ask me if you have any doubt. Yes, 41.5. One student sending 13. 13 is the wrong answer. The right answer is 41.5. Now if you have any doubt, you can ask me. One student asked me that sir, repeat again shortly. So students, this is not so tough, this is very easy. You have to remember the methods, that is when n is odd, then 1 by 2 n plus 1, when n is even, then 1 by 2 n by 2th observation plus n by 2 plus 1th observation. Just you have to remember these two methods and you have to apply when you solve the maths. Okay, maximum students said no doubt. Okay, so I will continue. Okay, then now I am going to show you when you have a problem like this, then how will you solve it. So here marks obtained, let it is xi, and number of students. Seventeen, 5, 29, 22, 4, 15, 3, 30, 10, 25, 6. Now you have to find the median. So how to find the median if you have such kind of problem? So how will you find the median? So at first you must arrange this table in ascending order. So arranging in ascending order, we get, so arrange the term in ascending order. So write it again. Number of students. So you must see the smallest one, but you must see the marks obtained. Okay, so here which is the smallest one? Here 15 is the smallest one. So at first you must write 15 and its frequency is 3, and then the smallest is 17 and its frequency is 5. After this 20 is the smallest, its frequency is 9. Then 22, its frequency is 4. Then 25, its frequency is 6, and then 30, its frequency is 10. Now you can see that the data arranged in ascending order. One student giving that 3, 4, 5, 6, 9, 10. No, you must arrange these terms in ascending order. These terms. You need not to arrange the frequency. Okay, understood? You must arrange these terms in ascending order. So here you can see that 15, 17, 20, 22, 25 and 30. So the data arranged in ascending order. Now what will you do? Now you must again you make a table. Marks obtained, it is xi. Next one is number of students, and second one is cumulative frequency. Now write the values. It's 15, 17, 20, 22, 25 and 30. And next now write the number of students. It's 3, 5, 9, 4, 6, 10. Okay. Now find the cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency means at first you must write the first one, then add these 3 with 5 and you will get 8. Again add 8 plus 9, it is 17. Again 17 plus 4 is 21. Then 21 plus 6 is 27. Then 27 plus 10 is 37. So this is the method to find cumulative frequency. Okay. Now here n equals to 37, which is odd. Here total number is, the last term is 37. So n is 37, which is odd. So you must use the formula half of n plus 1. So therefore median marks is equals to half of n plus 1th observation. So 38 by 2 so it's 19th observations. So 19th observation is, now here you can see that the terms are 3, 8, 17, 21. So there are no 19. So after 17 you cannot find 19, but in this term 21. So after 17 there is 19, 20 and 21. So you must see this one. So the 19th observation is 22. So 22 is the median marks. So I hope you understood, students. Yes, answer is 22. So students, tomorrow we will discuss it again, that how to find median. Okay, how to find median in tabulated data. At first, okay, I will repeat it again. At first you must arrange the data. Okay, I will repeat in shortly. So at first you must arrange the data in ascending order, but you must arrange these data, not frequency. So here you can see that I arrange the data in ascending order. Then you must make the table like this. You must write marks obtained in this column, then number of students in this column. Then you have to find the cumulative frequency. So how to find cumulative frequency? You must write the first one as it is. Then you must add this with the second one. So 3 plus 5 is 8, 8 plus 9 is 17, 17 plus 4 is 21, 21 plus 6 is 27 and 20 plus 7 plus 10 is 37. Now look at this number. This is 37. So 37 is odd. So you must use this formula, half of 37 plus 1, because half of n plus 1. So here n equals to 37. So half of n plus 1, that means half of 37 plus 1. So 37 plus 1 is 38. 38 by 2 is 19th. So 19th observations. Now you have to see, you have to find 19 in these numbers, but there is no 19. But up to 17 you cannot find 19. In 21 there is 18, 19, 20 and 21, because after 17 all the numbers in between in 21, because after 17 there are 4 numbers, that is 18, 19, 20 and 21. That means 19th observation is this 22. So 22 is the right answer. I hope you understood, student. So I am going to end today's class. Okay, very good. Yes, 22 is the answer. So if you have no doubt, I will end today's class. Okay, thank you, students.